Hello, my name is Hernan Paganini, and this is my library card for key CLS. I born and raised in Argentina, in a small town called Zárate, and I come from the integration of two Italian families. From one hand, from my dad's side, they were farmers, and from the other side, they were builders. The majority of my work is come from the integration of these two energies. The type of work that I like to do, to me, is like breathing. The inspiration comes from life, do you know? Sometimes they can be like cooking a meal for my friends, or cutting some papers, or drawing in watercolors. To me, the source comes from everywhere. Well, the art piece is really interesting because when I received the invitation, my approach to the information was going to libraries. And the book, to me, there was always a place to explore unknown universe. So try to get to this emotion. Okay, what is the emotion or the feeling that travel through books represent to me? I started to open the possibilities of this endless landscape. And I cut a lot of different papers. The majority of my work is quite abstract. I was trying to see in which way I can put all these feelings into this work. The library was always a place to me it was like a womb. I can go there, nourish myself, be protected, and my aura can expand.